In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use OBS virtual camera on Discord. So first open up your OBS Studio app and set up your scene like add your camera, screen, or any overlays you want. Then next is click on the Start Virtual Camera button in OBS. Now open up Discord and log into your account. Then next is click on User Settings button. It's this gear type icon beside your name. Then next in the left menu, click on Voice and Video. Then from here, scroll to the camera section. Then next is click on Test Video. Now if you see this window at the top left corner of your screen, simply click on the drop-down menu. And from your default camera, change it to OBS virtual camera. Allow permissions, of course. And now simply join a voice or video call and turn your camera on, and you'll see your OBS scene instead of your normal webcam. Now, if you don't see this, simply restart Discord or your OBS app and try again. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!